Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahma Sarita. I'm class 3B. In here, I will explain about two seminar proposal, the effect of Quizlet-based collaborative learning towards student vocabulary mastery at SMAN 1 Tualang. Okay, next. The first introduction, background of the problem. English is one. The international language used is spoken and written communication. English is also a high language where someone who use it feel proud. Besides that, we find a lot of English in fiction and non-fiction books. In Indonesia, English as a foreign language taught from kindergarten to university. English is also compulsory lesson that must be taught to students. Vocabulary is one of the important components that should be taught to students in foreign language lessons. It is one element that link for such as speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Besides that, vocabulary is play important role to developing for skill. They are speaking, reading, writing, and listening. Students have many vocabulary made it easier for students to develop their language skills. In other words, vocabulary is a basic skill learner in English before learning for skill, writing, reading, and listening to make student mastery vocabulary. Next, setting of the problem. There are some difficulties experienced by students in the vocabulary mastery. The first, the teacher didn't use media in interesting method. It make the student wear low motivation. Beside that, students feel bored and not interested in learning English, which student consider English is a difficult and boring lesson. Second, students find it difficult to remember new vocabulary because English words have not different with the Indonesian word. Learning English is not easy for students because they only learn English in the classroom. In addition, students are also lazy to look at the dictionary to find new vocabulary, and students are also lazy to repeat new words and have been learned. Okay, next, the elimination of problem. The research had to be limited to Quizlet to student and SMAN 1 Tualang. Quizlet is one of the media used to learn vocabulary, which Quizlet can be made as attractive as possible, so students can learn English which enjoy and not feel bored. The second, the formulation of the problem based on problem discussion and the background. The problem can be formulated. Is there any significant effect Quizlet based collaborative learning on student vocabulary mastery by Edsman Wantualang? Three, objective of the research. The purpose of the research is to find out whether there is or no an effect on the using of Quizlet-based collaborative learning toward students' vocabulary mastery at SMAN 1 Tualang. For hypothesis, There is no effort towards student vocabulary mastery by using Quizlet-based collaborative learning for students at Semantualang. There is effort towards student vocabulary mastery by using Quizlet-based collaborative learning for students at Semantualang. The definition of K-term vocabulary. Wait. Okay, vocabulary. Vocabulary according to Mikhail, two 1093, vocabulary is the largest single component in each language. It can be concluded the vocabulary is the most important aspect in English. The learn about the meaning of word. 3. The effect. Effect is an important cause by an activity. Effect can also be interpreted as a result of a cause. In effect, research is a process of change for the better at Semantualang. 3. Quizlet. Quizlet is a mobile and web-based study application that allow students to study information via learning tool and games. In the research, Quizlet is a media that used by writer to increase student vocabulary mastery. Chapter 2, review of related literature. The nature of vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the most important elements in English. In a language, vocabulary is the key to doing four skills, namely speaking, reading, listening, and writing. According to Neumann and Dwyer, 2009, vocabulary is a word that must be known for effective communication, which speak as a language indicator and listen as a language recipient. It means vocabulary can be used as one the close to a feeling which vocabulary can make an effective communication. One kind of vocabulary. There are several kinds of vocabularies based on expert. According to Nation, 2001, Hassan, 2017. 17. There are four language skill, namely reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And there are two types of vocabulary, namely representative vocabulary and productive vocabulary. Representative vocabulary is the word that is recognized, used in speaking and writing and understood by native speaker or stranger, but is difficult to use. Productive vocabulary is the word used in speaking and writing. The second, advantages of vocabulary in language learning. Each skill has its own advantage, like words and vocabulary learning. In vocabulary learning, students also have advantages according to Al-Kahtani, 2010. Two, status the essential vocabulary. Teaching is important to be taught in the classroom because students who are outstanding are students who have a good vocabulary. So vocabulary teaching is very important and provides many benefits for students. Three, teaching vocabulary. According to Sitompul, 2013 said that vocabulary learning is learning that considers the level of language proficiency is student to achieve success and effective vocabulary learning that occurs in the classroom. Vocabulary learning can be done in the classroom. Vocabulary learning is also learning that increases language skills in students. The purpose of this learning is to improve students' skills in vocabulary. It can be concluded the vocabulary learning is very important in language learning. Concept of Quizlet. Quizlet is a website that is used to learn vocabulary using flashcards. Quizlet is an application that can be downloaded on an Android and iOS, making it easier for users to use it. The vocabulary in Quizlet is made according to the vocabulary you want to learn. Quizlet is also not only made by teacher, by student can also make it for learning. Okay, next, the procedure of Quizlet. Quizlet is one game application which has many types. Quizlet is in the form of cards, audio, learning, and test. Quizlet is very easy to use and can be used anywhere and anytime. Okay, chapter 3, research methodology. The design of research. The research is experimental research. According to Gay, 1997. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. 2087. The experimental research is one type of research that tests the hypothesis concerning cause and effect relationship. The research used two samples, namely as the experimental class and as the control class. Next, location and time of the research. This research was conducted at Semanwan Tualang. The time of the research on July to September 2019. The location of the research is in Jalan Pentalin Jaya, Tualang, Siak. Population and sample of the research. The subject of this study were first level students at Semanwan Tualang. The research used two classes. They are experimental class 10.4 and control class 10.5. Population. The population of this study are first level students at Semanwan Tualang in the academic year 2080 or 2000 until 2019. There are 240 students from 8 class. According to Putra, 2014, 34 population is collection of objects to be examined. This object can be plant, animal, and human. Population is very important in research because without a population, researcher will not get data. sample according to Putra 2000, 2040 34, the 1434, the sample is a part taken randomly or scientifically from the population or representing the population. In this study, researchers choose class 10 researchers choose class 10-4 as an experimental class of 29 people and class 10-5 as control class with 30 people. The researcher only applied Quizlet in the experimental class, while in the control class didn't use Quizlet. Okay, next, data analysis technique to find out whether or not there is an effect on student vocabulary skill using Quizlet. The data need to be analyzed in the form of percentage and test. Test is used to find out there are significant difference between two mean of the sample group and the average of the other sample group. T test is used to compare two group average value. The value compared is taken from the value of the pre-test and post-test. The value of the pre-test is used to determine two level of student vocabulary abilities, while the post-test value is used as a comparison of the pre-test value. After analyzing the data, the result will be found from the comparison of the result of this research data. Comparison of the value of the pre-test and post-test, the result of the two value will be the final result of this research data. The result also indicate the presence or absence of influence from Quizlet in vocabulary learning in student. Okay, that's all. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry jika ada kesalahan dalam penyampaian. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you very much. That's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.